Today is the solemnity of the Sacred Heart of Jesus. And last night, ang dami ko kasing naiisip lately. Tas last night, naisip ko yung image ng Sacred Heart. And sobrang comforting nung image ng Sacred Heart kasi it's very human and it's full of love. Kasi 'di ba, when you look at it, puso siya, hindi perfect, wounded, napapalibutan siya ng tinik, makikita mo yung blood, pero yung fire, yung flame, nandun pa rin. It keeps burning. So it's a heart that was betrayed, rejected, abandoned, ridiculed, mocked, crucified. Pero it's also a heart that never stops loving. So, ayun yung nakikita ko whenever I look sa image ng Sacred Heart. Kasi, maganda yung love itself. Like, maganda siya. And madaling magmahal when everything is okay. But, kapag dumating yung time na masaktan ka, ma-reject ka, or ma-betray ka and everything, dun mo malalaman how much you can love. And yung Sacred Heart, it shows yung puso ng taong totoong magmahal. Diba? Like, God didn't wait us na maging perfect para mahalin. And despite everything, mahal niya tayo. Diba? So, I think yung reminder ng Sacred Heart is yung wounds ng puso natin. Hindi yun nagiging reason para maging less capable tayo of loving or to be loved. It shows how much we love. And it's an invitation actually to surrender to God. And sometimes, kapag ganun yung puso natin, it becomes a place A place na nagiging safe sa ibang tao and nagiging deeper and gentler tayo. So, yeah. Feeling ko, yung invitation ng Sacred Heart is, wag natin hayaan na yung pain natin, yung mga experiences natin, i-extinguish yung love na nararamdaman natin. Kasi, yung magagandang puso, hindi yun yung mga hindi nasaktan. The most beautiful hearts, yung mga nasaktan but remain na mapagmahal. So, ayun. Baka right now, that's the message, that's the invitation na kahit nasaktan tayo, let us continue to love. Let us give love. Kasi that's the reason why we're alive. To give love. And it's free to love. And let's always, always, always choose to love. Okay? Ayun lang. Bye! Mag-work na ako.